Hello guys, today we are gonna talk about QR codes in Flutterflow. I will introduce you QR Barcode widget. Before this start, if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe and like the video. Okay, first we will add barcode widget in the widget tree. You can locate the widget in this page. After that, you can decide which dimensions of barcode. There are some variants and it is all in your hands. There are also barcode type and you can decide again which one works for you. You can enter a valid URL or you can use database which lead user to page app insight. You can search deep link document in Flutterflow website. For dimensions, you just need to decide what height and weight is okay for your barcode. There is also color option for barcode widget. You should use this option to prompt your user. So I finished our barcode for this example and let's test in real device. Okay, I am opening my camera, scan the barcode. As you can see, it led me to Flutterflow website link because I entered Flutterflow website link. Thank you for watching video and please don't forget to like the video, and if you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel for another videos. See you in next video.